This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get historical data from Yahoo Finance using Python. Install Finance with pip and import it as if. First, create a ticker object and call the history method to request a date range and interval. Next, convert the result to a data frame and inspect columns like open, high, low, close, and volume. Save to CSV for later analysis or visualization in pandas. Request data by calling ticker. History with parameters like start, end, and interval to control the time frame and granularity. Use auto-adjust and propost flags to tidy adjusted prices and include extended session data when needed. If you need dividends or splits, request those fields separately from history. Always handle exceptions for network errors and verify data completeness before running calculations or plot. Once you have the data frame, use pandas methods to clean and transform the data for analysis. Calculate returns, moving averages, and rolling metrics to prepare indicators for strategies. Handle missing data by forward filling or dropping rows depending on your goal. For performance, cache frequent requests locally and only refresh when necessary. Finally, visualize results clearly to spot trends and verify that transformations preserved alignment across columns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.